Hi, this is Vanquished Angel and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over installing a program within Playonlinux. So how we're going to do that is we're going to open the program. So it's under Accessories now and Playonlinux, and then it'll open. It used to be under Games. So on older versions it might be under Games. Then we're going to click Install, and then we're going to go under Games. And then we're just going to type it into the search engine, Steam, and there it is. And now it's going to download some programs and install pretty much anything that you would need to run Steam games. So it's downloading a special kind of wine, which is 2.12 staging. I use wine staging anyway. In almost everything, because staging contains extra scripts and stuff made by users that enable graphics like CUDA cores and stuff to be working from an NVIDIA graphics cards. And wine staging is just faster. The difference between regular wine and wine staging is that regular wine uses only safe scripts, things that are tested and known to work, and it doesn't go or include anything that is considered experimental, whereas staging is experimental. But it's also faster. And for the most part safe. All my games that I run in Wine are run in Wine staging. And I also will update to the newest version when it comes out or when I think about it. Now there is a Steam version for Linux, and that is awesome that they have that. There's also Steam OS for Linux, which is made by Valve, because they sell their own computers with Linux operating systems on it now. Oh, gaming computers. The problem with that is that the Linux version only lists the games that work on Linux, or the ones that have compatibility. So you would want to install Playonlinux in Steam to play Windows games that don't have compatibility. This takes a little while. It's installing mono. I like to use the newest version of Wine staging because then they have bug fixes and patches in them, and newer functionality as well. Sometimes games that are written for Windows actually work more efficiently under Wine than they actually do in Windows. Not sure of the various reasons for that. Another reason why you would want to use Playonlinux and Wine is because a lot of times games promise to be released on Linux and then they change their mind last minute. The good example of that would be The Witcher 3. A lot of people paid money thinking the game was going to be available, and in the end they decided not to. At least not right away. It might be released now. Well, that's a lot of updating.